You want to start a business, but you're unsure how. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a business and what you can do to really succeed. So just quickly understand that there's two types of businesses. You got brick and mortar and a service-based business. Now, in this video, I'm going to speak about a service-based business because that's the more easier one, low upfront costs and less risk. So let's get into that one first. Maybe in the future, I'll make another video about brick and mortar businesses, but for now, let's just get into service-based business because that's the most easiest one. Let's get into this one. First things first, here in Australia, you need an ABN, an Australian business number. It is free to make, doesn't cost you anything, there are no fees, and it doesn't really take too much time. You just need to go online, put in your details, create your Australian business number. Normally, you would start off as a sole trader. Later on in the future, you can change your business structure, but for now, most people start off as a sole trader. That's probably your first step, but that's obviously something that you need to consider as well. And then you carry out and complete. After a period of time, you'll get your verification that you have now a Australian business number. Now, something that you need to also keep in mind, and this is something that I learned the hard way. You don't necessarily need to quickly register a business name. That's something that you need to consider as well in the future, but you don't have to register a business name now. So this is a good thing, and I'll give you an example. So many people want to start a business, but they don't know exactly what business do they want to do, but they just want to do a business. Well, this can also be a really good thing because you have a business number, but you don't have a business name. So that's okay. Let's just say for the sake of this video, your name is John and you want to start a cleaning business. Well, you can operate as John's Cleaning Business, but as long as you are transparent with your Australian business number, that's all you need to do. You can just operate as your full name, your first name and your last name, and the service that you're doing. John's Cleaning Business or John's Cleaning Service, operate as your business number and go out there. Now, let's just say, for example, 2 months, 3 months later, it doesn't work out, but something else happened. You ended up getting a job as a window cleaner. Then you can go John's Window Cleaning, and then you can go from there. But your business number has to stay the same, of course. And then later on in the future, when you have many clients of the same industry or in the same field, then you can consider registering for a business name. Now that one does have fees. It's about $45 for 1 year and it's over $100 for about 3 years. But that's something that you don't have to do immediately, but you can do it in the long term. Now, why did I say earlier that this can be a good thing? Again, so many people want to start businesses, but they don't know what, and they don't know what's going to start, what's going to kick. So it gives you the chance of creating a business number, get out there, see what is going on, see what catches for you, and then maybe that's something that you can dive into. However, I will say that it is better if you can think about what you want to do before you start. So have a good think about what you want to do, and the mentality behind it is going to be for another video, and I'll have a link for that video later on. But let's just get into this video for now and think about what you want to do, what business that you would like to get into, what service you would like to provide for people, and make a start from there. It's better to have it that way instead of just having a business number and then going out there and doing what works. So now, let's talk about insurance. Why I'm saying it's important if you can consider what you want to do before you get into it, because let's just say, for example, you love fitness, you're a very fit person, and you know everything about fitness, and you want to help people with their fitness goals. So now, that's great, but you can't just go out there and start a fitness business, because what's going to happen is you need to take insurance as a business owner, which you need to do. You take out insurance, and then the insurance is going to ask you, okay, great, show us your certificate. You don't have a certificate, you're not qualified. But if you are qualified, then that's great. You provide your certificate, then they give you a policy. If you can't provide a certificate, then you don't get insurance. You don't get insurance, you can't train people. Or at least you shouldn't. Very high risk if you do, and very silly. You shouldn't do that. Now that takes me to the next point. You got your ABN, you got your insurance in check. How do you successfully launch your business? This is something that I always recommend. Make yourself your first client. So this is something that I always recommend. Number 1 and number 2. The first one is make yourself your first client. And number 2, use social media to advertise your business. So now, what do I mean by make yourself your first client? Okay, so let's just say, whatever it may be, you might be doing window cleaning business, just as an example. Make yourself your first client. Grab your phone, start recording you cleaning windows in your own house. Record yourself, create your online presence, and use social media to advertise your video to people so that hopefully then you can grab people's attention. Then expand a little bit more from yourself. You made yourself your first client, you recorded content of you cleaning your own windows. Maybe do your family, do your friends, just record content for your business on your social media platforms and just advertise and market your business through social media. A long time ago, it was Yellow Pages. Now it's social media. That's how people find you, and that's how people can then recommend you to other people. Use social media as a platform to advertise your business and get more people. Now, once when you've put yourself out there, you've grabbed people's attention through social media, they've reached out to you, so now you start recording you performing your services with their permission, and you just keep growing your social media platform. The success you have on social media will help you have success in the real world. And another thing, ask for feedback. Ask them to put a review. And don't take negative feedback personally, take it professionally. So you just started out, you've done something, whatever it may be, the business that you're considering or you end up choosing. So you've got your first client, you've got your job, ask for feedback. If it's good, beautiful, ask them to put a review. Ask them for feedback, and if it's bad, learn from it, grow, and just keep improving. You're not going to be perfect right from the first day, but don't give up. You keep going, learn and grow, and just keep developing your business. You get some sales, take that money and reinvest it into your business and grow. Don't just give up on the first negative feedback. And the most important thing that you can do is, just before you leave, ask your customer or your client if there is anyone that they know who can benefit from their services. It's always worth a try. Sometimes it's a yes, sometimes it's a no. But if it is a yes, beautiful. Word of mouth is always going to be better than just someone finding you randomly. If you're thinking about doing an online e-commerce business, I've made a video about how to do an online e-commerce business, and I recommend that you do watch it. There is something that you need to keep in mind as well, that there is a lot that goes behind the business. It's your mindset, and that is the most important thing about having a successful business. And the link for that video will be posted somewhere over here very soon. When that video is ready, make sure you watch it. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss this video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, take care, see you in the next video.